Understanding, in terms of enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very useful and common phrase in English, in terms of. Understanding how to use this phrase correctly can greatly enhance your conversational and writing skills in English. So, let's dive in. In terms of is a phrase used to specify the aspect or subject that is being talked about or considered. It helps to focus the conversation on a particular area. For example, if someone says, in terms of finance, the project is quite expensive, they are specifically talking about the financial aspect of the project. Using in terms of in a sentence is not complicated. It's often followed by a noun or a noun phrase. For instance, in terms of quality, this product is superior. We need to evaluate the plan in terms of its long-term benefits. A common mistake is using in terms of inappropriately, like in sentences where it's not needed or where a simpler phrase would suffice. For example, instead of saying, in terms of tomorrow, I am free, it's better to say, I am free tomorrow. There are other phrases similar to, in terms of, that you can use to diversify your language. Phrases like, with regard to, as far as is concerned, and, regarding, serve similar purposes. For example, with regard to your request, we have some updates. As far as the budget is concerned, we are on track. I hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use in terms of. Remember, it's a great phrase for focusing discussion on a specific aspect of a broader topic. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.